Hello everyone, today I will show you how to perform Hess sulfur test, right? Okay, now you all know this, right? Hess sulfur test used for detections of bile salt in urine. Like what type of salt? Like the salt of tarcholic acid and salt of glycolic acid. You all know this, right? Okay, now for performing this test we need urine sample. You can see this is urine sample, right? Okay, and this is sulfur powder, right? Yellow color. We all know this, right? This is sulfur powder, right? And also we needed distilled water and the two test tube. You can see this two test tube also needed for this test. Why this is two test tube needed for this test? Because one test tube used for control. You can see this is control, right? And another test tube used for the test. You can see this test tube used for test, right? Okay, now let's see how to create the control, right? Okay, now first of all you have to take a test tube, right? Okay, then we will add 3 ml of distilled water, right? Okay, now after adding 3 ml of distilled water, now we will add sprinkle sulfur powder, right? Now you can see sprinkle sulfur powders on the surface of distilled water, right? Okay, now this is contour, right? Okay, now after making the control, now we will use another test tube, right, for test, right? Okay, you can see now we are adding 5 ml of urine sample into the another test tube, right? Okay, after adding 5 ml of urine sample, now we are adding sprinkle sulfur powder, right? Sprinkle a pinch of sulfur powder. Now after adding a sprinkle of pinch of sulfur powder, now we will compare this urine, compare this compare this test tube with the control, right? Okay, now on comparison with the control, we see that the sulfur powder sink to the bottom in the test and sulfur powder floats in the control tube, right, which indicate positive Hess sulfur test, right? Okay, now we come to the principle of this test. Bile salt reduce the surface tension, hence sulfur powder sink to the bottom, right? Okay, thanks for watching this video.